Welcome back in the new video. In this video, we are going to learn how to update multiple tasks, multiple activities, or how to update those activities which we will have on the same dates. Okay, parallel activities. So let's start. So in the last videos, we have completed update the computation phase activities. Then we have also learned how to update physical activities. We took the physical updation on this activity on excavation, but I've just removed now. Okay, so now let me show you. I'm going to click on activity network. If I click on the top, you can see we have a layout marking, and uh, we have three successors, two layout marking: start block A, start block B, then start block C. Then excavation A, B, and excavation for C. Then you can see we have many activities parallel. Okay, so how to update them during the execution or during the monitoring and controlling. So now we are going to choose this activity excavation. We will click on start it, then we will click on finish, and move to the B. First we need to complete the milestone. Because it's a milestone, we will just simple click on started option, it will be automatically finished. Excavation for B, you can see it's a 4 fab. So here you can see again we have the 4 fab. So these are the parallel activities: started and finish. Move to the block C. First we will update the milestone started, it will be automatically finished. Choose the excavation, now start it and finish. So next what we have to do, we will choose it's a finish date. Okay, uh, it's a it's actual, you can see it should be complete on 10th feb. So we can see here plan duration is a 6 and actual is 6. So we can also update it's like the actual duration here, how many days it will take, so you can update here. Okay, so let's suppose I just updated here 7 days for this activity. Then go to the excavation block B, and there is, you can see plan start is the 4th fab, and finish is the 12th fab. 8 days are planned and actual we have 8. So let's suppose we spend here 9, 10. So you can update here 9, 10, whatever we will have. Now move to the uh, excavation block A. So this one is the critical activity, and if this activity will get late, so our critical path definitely get late. So it's gonna affect on our finish date will be pushed. So I am going to enter here, let's suppose we spend 11 days rather than 10. So I am just going to update with the according to the 11 days. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to update the parallel activities like this. Now we will update from the this activity duration. Okay, so you can see it's a finish date we have of 15. So all these activities, you can see its finish date is the 12th feb, and its finish date we have 11 feb. So all these finish dates is going to cover within this duration. You can see under we have under 15. So now next what we have to do, we have to update our schedule from the 16th feb. Now one thing more, on 16th feb we have Sunday. So we will choose that the next day we don't need to worry about the holiday off day. So system will automatically choose or calculate the durations, and system will automatically the adjust the plan start for the successor. You can see on again, let me show you, we have just choose the 16 because there we have a 15 February. Okay, so here we are going to choose the 16. 16 is the Sunday, so We will choose the next day. System will show us or will update automatically for the successor start date from the working means from the Monday. Okay, look, click on schedule. Now you can see system has automatically skipped the uh, off day. Okay, and it has updated the next. So like this we can update the multiple task here. Okay, clear. So overall you can see we have a 4 minus. One more thing you can see we have minus here 3, it's going to system showing going to show us 5, so it's not going to affect on your total total variance, because that float you are we are going to cover in the float. Okay, now next we are going to update these parallel activities for these three blocks for construction work: block A, B, and C, foundation steel, and then foundation shuttering. First, we need to choose this activity, choose, update it, complete it. Second activity, foundation shuttering, started, then finish, updated. Okay. Okay. Next, we are going to update the foundation steel, started and finish, foundation shuttering, started and finish, then foundation steel, started and finish, and foundation shuttering, started and finish. We will update the actual in the actual duration column portion. We will update also for the B for the actual. Okay, so one by one we will update or complete all these parallel activities. Let me show you again. You can see we have here all these parallel activities. Okay, which can say on the same dates. You can see 17 fab, we have here 17 fab parallel activities, and 70 fab here for the parallel for the block C. So next let's update. So now in this case what we will choose the uh, we will choose here the 27. We have to target 27. Okay, so you can see we have maximum duration here 10 days. uh, we have two parallel activities. One activity have 8 days, the second activity have 10 days, so we will choose the maximum duration. Okay, so or we will choose those which those activities which having maximum duration. Okay, so you can see foundation shuttering will take 10 days. Second parallel activity you can see will take we put here 8 days, and here we have put here 10 days, so we have to follow this activity. Okay, so here you can see for 25th fab, here we can see we have 27. So let's suppose these activities has been completed on time, so let's update from the 28. No, yes, 28. Click on schedule, so you can see the system has our plan has been updated. Okay, so you can scroll down and you can check all these activities which we will have the parallel activities. So like this we can update the parallel activities or those activities which we will have on the same dates. I will go one by one to the activities, then we will click on resources, and we will also update the actual units. Okay, the actual units according to your DPR report, according to your daily progress report. We have same here, you can see 160. I'm just going to increase little bit. 170, 90, 90, 400. So let's suppose 420, 250, 82, 83, 84. I'm just uh, taking example. Okay, but you will have this data, you will have this budgeted units, sorry, actual units on your DPR report. Okay, so same process we will repeat for the excavation block A. We will also check its actual units, and we will update. Okay, I'm going to just change a little bit. Okay, so let's suppose 70, 70 again here, again 70 here, 70, 70. And we will also check, click on expenses to check out if we have assigned the overhead expenses. So we will also update the overhead expenses. Now you can see we have updated these parallel activities. So again, we will repeat the same process. We will update. I'm just going to update on a sum. It is possibility that on a sum uh, for the sum resources we will assign the less number of units as compared to budgeted it, and it is also possibility that activity will be complete on time. Okay, so this is the example. So the same data, which data we will collect from the DPR report, we will update in a P6. So I'm just going to take example 64 here, 64 here, let's suppose 70 here, and like this. Okay, so again move to the foundation shuttering we will update. Okay, so 80, 80, 80, 80, 80. It's example. Okay, move to the foundation steel blocks C and B as well. Okay, we have complete the B and no, yes, we have complete the foundation steel block B and foundation shuttering block B. Okay, so I hope everything is clear about how to update the parallel activities or those activities which we will have on the same dates. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.